about the placement of intravenous line. How to place the Venflon. Last time we have seen the practical aspect also. Today we will see what are the equipments needed for this. You can note down before you start to do the intravenous catheterization, which equipment is needed. One is you need a sterile tray. It should contain, you should note down, sterile tray. It should contain the sterile syringes, needles and kit caps of various sizes, depending on the patient you want to cannulate. For example, if you want to cannulate a child, you will need 24 ways catheter. And you should have one more extra kit cap with you so that if one gets spoiled, you should not try it with the same. उसी से आपने द्वारा try नहीं करना. You should discard it and use the new one. You should have sterile cotton and sterile gauze pieces in the tray. You need methylated spirit also. Methylated spirit. You need a sterile ball also. You need a tourniquet also. And water for injection. Water for injection for filling the initial injection so as to check the patency of the kit cap. Drug order sheet also. What does this mean? इसका क्या मतलब है कि जो डॉक्टर ने ड्रग प्रिस्क्राइब की है वो आपने कौन सी ड्रग इंजेक्ट करनी है, कितने ml इंजेक्ट करनी है, वो भी आपके सामने होनी चाहिए. Moreover, which fluid you will give. You will be giving NS or D5 or NS with D5 depending on the orders. You should have all things in hand before you attempt to do the intravenous catheterization. You will need a file to cut the ampule. इसका मतलब समझते हो आप? File to cut the ampule. जो इंजेक्शन है ampule means this. इसको यहाँ से कट करने के लिए sometimes what they do, they just hit a hard object with it and it breaks. But it has got disadvantages. Some of the portion may go inside the ampule also. It will contaminate it. So what is needed? That you should have a cutting file. You will give a small circle with the cutting file around it and then you will gently break it. It will be evenly cut. You must have seen, किसी ने देखा है कि जो ग्लास को कट करते हैं शॉप्स पे, आपने विंडो पे ग्लास पेंट लगाना है तो उसको कट करके देते हैं आपको. कितने साइज का. हाउ डू दे कट? You make a simple line with the cutter and the glass breaks from that point only. So here also where you will apply the cutting file, so it will break from that place, clear cut. No piece will go inside the ampule. And moreover, if you try the other way, you may also end up injuring your finger also. आपको खुद को भी कई दफ़ा वो इतना शार्प हो जाता है कि आपको भी इंजर हो जाता है. So always have a file to cut the ampule. And this is the equipment, sterile equipment you need. Now how to prepare the patient before you identify the patient correctly. This is very important. So, I gave you the example. Let us say there are two patients of the same name, and you ensure that it is the same patient for which the cannulation has been ordered. You will check up the CR number of the patient to ensure that there is no error in this. Then before you attempt it, you will explain the procedure. पेशेंट को आप बताओगे कि जी हम यहाँ पे आपके एक सुई लगाएंगे जिससे जो आपका फ्लूइड है, जो ये बॉटल में फ्लूइड है या इंजेक्शन है, फिर उसी से जाएंगे तो हल्का सा आपको पेन होगा. यू मस्ट एक्सप्लेन बिफोर हैंड. Then you must provide privacy also. If there is a lot of rush, patients are coming, attendants are there, you should take the patient to a side cabin where you can do the procedure calmly. Place the patient in a comfortable position. कई दफ़ा पेशेंट बैठा है तो उसको बोलो he should lie down so that he is comfortable. तो उसको जो ट्रॉमा है, जो उसकी एंग्जाइटी है, लेटने से वो भी कम हो जाएगी उसके लिए. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड ए सूटेबल साइट ऑन द प्रेफरेबली ऑन द डॉर्सम ऑफ हैंड. इस पे आपने देखना है कि एक सूटेबल वेन जो मिले उसमें आपने वो कैनुला लगाना है, राइट. सो बिफोर यू पुट द कैनुला, असेंबल ऑल द solutions and equipment. Now you will apply the tourniquet on the distal, on the proximal part to the site where you want to give the cannulation. Or you can ask your assistant जो आपके साथ है, वार्ड अटेंडेंट है या आपके हेल्प के लिए सेकंड नर्स है, तो वो भी इसको ऐसे कसकर पकड़ सकती है so that vein becomes prominent. Then next step is you will clean that area with methylated spirit swab. You will clean it locally so that it becomes aseptic. वहाँ पे कोई भी जो इन्फेक्शन है वो कैनुलेशन के टाइम पेशेंट के अंदर ना जाए. Now you have to go at the 30-degree angle so that the cannula goes into the vein, right? Let us say if this is the vein which has become prominent, you will go 30 degree from this in this direction. As it will pierce the cannula, the blood will come from this side. You have to see, it will be visible. ऐसे जैसे ही आप नोट करोगे कि यहाँ से ब्लड आ गया, तो इसका जो अंदर का प्लंजर है उसको आप थोड़ा पीछे कर दो. उसको पीछे करने से जो ऊपर की शीट है कैनुला की, विच इज मेड ऑफ प्लास्टिक, तो वो इसमें वेन में चली जाएगी. वंस इट गोज इनसाइड द वेन, you will fix it with a vein fixer or with the simple tape also you can fix it. And then you will remove this plunger from this cannula and insert the IV set line, attach the IV set line here, right? So this is how you will apply the intravenous catheter. So if you want to ask, you can ask.